Hey everybody. Well, today is Wednesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. I started on this Jeep, I think it was Thursday last week, or Wednesday night or Thursday, I don't remember. But I've been working on it pretty hard. All by myself. I mean, I haven't had any help. It may not seem like I've done a lot on it, but I've been working pretty hard on it. It's 11:05 at night, and I'm pretty tired. I worked the last 2 nights till 2 in the morning on it. Plus, I've been working all day on it. So we'll just about have the body ready to lift off of it, and then we'll be able to start working on the chassis, and when I don't have parts or whatever, I'll work on the body, and vice versa. Kind of work on it together, and then plus I'll be working on some of my piece panels over in another area of the building here. So we're just about through the worst part of it. I hate tearing down a vehicle. Howie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here. So tearing down is the worst for me. I hate that. Just cataloging and writing things down and all that takes time, and you know, I've torn down vehicles before where I hardly wrote down anything, hardly bagged any bolts or anything like that, and boy, is that a pain when you go to put it back together. So you know, I've been trying to be very detailed about this. It just makes it a lot easier when you put it back together. So what are you doing? This is Howie. Howie's feisty. She's just a baby. She's about 6 or 7 months old. Where are you headed? So anyway, let's get a look at the Jeep. Which really not much more to look at than before, but as you can see, everything is cleaned off the firewall now. Tools laying everywhere. We need to clean up. I need to clean up. Parts, look at the pile of parts. And we gotta get all that stuff done, put away, so we got room to work. Everything's out, up underneath the firewall and the dash. Went to work on the body bolts today. I got one out, and I'm probably just going to torch. Just use a cutting torch to get them off. I did take the rear bumper off. This piece here seems to be pretty solid. Happy about that. So just been plugging away at it. So hopefully tomorrow or the next day, we gotta make sure we get enough help, or I get enough help. My boy will come over and help me, and my wife will be around. My daughter, she'll be sketchy. She's always running around here lately. But we need 4 people. You know, I don't expect it's going to be heavy, but it'll be awkward. So that cat thinks she owns a place. Howie, what are you doing? What are you doing? You talking? Howie, what are you doing? Hey, Howie. There's Pink. It's turned cold suddenly this evening. Weather's been real nice here in central Indiana. The last 3 days it's been, oh, I don't know, I had 73 on my thermometer Monday. I think I saw 64 yesterday, and I saw 71 today. So really nice. But we're going in for a cold stretch now. It's been, temperature now is probably in the mid-30s. It just rained here. Had a big storm come through. Tools laying everywhere. Water running in. It takes pretty good rain to run in the garage door. So I'd say we probably got a couple inches or so. Might check that just for my own satisfaction. See how much rain we got. Then we'll see what the temperature is. Dang, only a half an inch. There it is. I'm surprised. I thought we got more than that. It just came all at once. And I was close on the temperature. 41. It's getting colder. 5 o'clock it was 67. So it's dropping pretty rapidly. It's getting cold in here. So tomorrow we'll have to have some fires to stay warm. So anyway, that's where we're at on the Jeep. Hopefully it'll get a little bit more interesting. We get it finally taken apart. I think I've made a video about every day I've worked on it, and they got to be starting to get boring. But hopefully we'll have some more interesting stuff going on real soon. So I guess that's about all I have to say. I'm pretty tired. I'm going to go to bed early tonight, I think. Get up tomorrow, put all these parts away, dash parts, all that. Make a list of what needs replaced. You know, sometimes when you're working on something like this, you spend, or at least I do, you know, I spend, especially when you're in tearing down mode and you're breaking stuff, you know, I spend quite a bit of time making a list of things that I need, and stuff like that. Ordering parts still. Our fender came yesterday. We got our new fender. We got a new hood, and we got a new fender here for the right side. And let's see, here's some bushings, sway bar bushings. This is all of our stainless steel stuff. There's shackles, more stainless steel stuff. This is windshield hinge. Yeah, that'll look sharp. Stainless steel door hinges. What else? Seems like there ought to be more. Oh, body lift. It's laying around here somewhere. I don't happen to see it right off, but it should be over here with the rest of the stuff, but maybe. Well, damned if I know where it's at. It's here somewhere. But anyway, the body lift is here somewhere. But so hopefully tomorrow we get it all cleaned up, get all the tools put away, get the shop cleaned up, push this heap out, sweep up, get the sawhorses ready to set the body on, and I'm going to turn the Jeep around and back it in so we don't have to deal with lifting the body over the engine here, because we'll turn it around, we'll spin it around, and then the body will be, the rear will be here, and then we'll set the body over in that area. It's just kind of odd. I wonder where that body lift went. I had all that stuff sitting there. My kid might have been into it and looking at it and set it somewhere else, and I just don't see it. Because he was by tonight. We were going to take the body off tonight, and one thing led to another, and I just wasn't ready with his time schedule, so yeah. And we were missing a fourth person, so I think we need 4 people. 3 people, we could probably do it. We could probably even do it with 2 people. It's not that heavy, I don't think. Probably lucky to weigh 300 pounds. But it's just awkward. You know, where do you grab it? So we get a few more bodies, and it'll make it a lot easier. Less chance of somebody getting hurt. So, well, I'll turn the camera on tomorrow. We'll get things sorted out. At least get this place cleaned up. It's a frickin' mess in here. Got a little oil on the ground down there. I hate having oil or antifreeze on the ground. And we'll go from there. So, good night, and take it easy.